What a beautiful place to live. Epic waves. Epic fishing. Yeah, buddy. Double up.
I got you.
Look at him. Oh. So fortunate to call this place home. Well, good morning, you guys. It is beautiful out. Bluebird skies, no wind, and we got waves. It wasn't really supposed to be much today, and then woke up to check the surfline cams and see that there's a ton of swell in the water. Running a little behind the 8-ball, like I said, wasn't expecting there to be surf. So got some food, packed up the truck with boards, got all ready to roll. Now it's time to hop in the car. But while I hop in the car, I'm gonna show you guys some incredible drum footage. You guys saw last week, got on the most insane drum blitz ever, just engulfed in my kayak. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it above. There's a link right there, but it didn't end there. I took my son out in the kayak, put him on his first citation drum. He reeled in a 44-inch drum all by himself. Followed that up with putting my friends Jason Forrest and Brandon Duke on their first drum ever. Citations, both of them. What a week. What a crazy week. The waves finally died down, got the fishing in, and it was insane. So while I hop in the car and head to the surf, y'all check that out. I'll see y'all when we get there. He's hooked up. Out here once again, chasing the big drum. My friend Jason Forrest just launched, paddled out, and he's hooked up already. Got my kayak ready, time to put the wetsuit on and get out there. It was actually kind of cold this morning, so waiting for the sun to come up a little. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day, y'all. Anyway, time to hop in the water. Jason just caught one, I'm pretty sure. Looks like he's going back on him, so we'll join him. What, you were just casting right in here? I wanted to throw a top water, but dude, that's not a ray. Yeah, buddy. Doubled up. Good morning.
Is that your first cast?
Second. I got a thump on the first one. I pulled it off. They're right on the bottom. Oh, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. TSUNAMI Carbon Shield 2 7.6 rod. Oh, where's he at? Oh, Evict 3000. Fun rod for these big drum. Oh, oh, you got him? Paddle over here so I can get a shot. Jason just landed his. Oh no! I pulled mine off! Oh, all that. Yeah!
Dude, that thing's pretty monster.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, Jason.
There you go.
Before work fish club.
I got 1 hour, dude.
You got him, man.
Yeah.
I'm on. Doubled up again. It's insane.
It's not even 7 a.m.
Got him up.
Doubled up.
Oh, beautiful, ain't it? Later, big boy. Jason still. You got him? Here. Let me come film the double header.
He's drumming. I hear you.
I should have kept mine in my lap for the double up shot. I didn't realize you were like that close.
Oh my gosh.
Good job, dude.
Yeah.
I'm calling Brandon. Oh yeah, I just came in. That GoPro I have on there is dead, so I'm gonna switch it out. Nah, Jason already caught 2. I landed 1 and pulled a couple off because my hook was straight. They're like, yeah.
Hey, I'll go on you, I'll go on you, I'll go on you.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm hitting fish left and right. They're under us. Brandon, come over this way. He's on. Come between me and him. 4 of us hooked up.
There we go, man.
They're 100% right here, though.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Big Rom?
Not much, what are you doing?
Having a good morning. There you go.
Oh my God.
This is the first time I've found him in like since sunrise.
There he is.
Yeah, Brandon. Just let him go. Don't like try and force it. Oh yeah. Took a while to find number 2, but we did it. Whew. Yeah. Pretty fish. See you later. Yeah, buddy. Brandon's first big drum. Welcome to the club. Here, hold on. Oh my gosh, this is big. Try and hold on to his tail in case he needs some help. Go for it. Oh, you really got to hold on to their tail. Oh, there they go. You did it. You did it. You just caught a big drum. I'm pretty sure we're on them. Hey, they're literally underneath of you, dude. That's what I was saying this morning when it was Jason and I. It was like, it did not matter where you casted, there were fish. You're hooked on too? They're right here. I'm going under you. Dude, I think they're popping up behind you now. They're just there's gotta be, like you said, thousands of fish out here.
Thousands, literally.
What a beauty. Go back, buddy. I'm gonna go get my 360 cam. Well, caught 2. My friend Brandon Duke caught his first big drum ever. He was actually hooked up with number 3 when I was coming in here to get something to eat. Been out here since dawn. My friend Jason Forrest caught 2 this morning. Like, actually, I guess I've caught 3 then. What a day. This is crazy. There are literally hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of fish out there. What a beautiful place to live. Epic waves, epic fishing. So fortunate to call this place home. Well, that was cool. Wow. Look at him go, he's upside down. Oh, there he goes. Let's roll, little dude. Love you guys.
Love you.
Oh, wait. I need my life jacket. Mason's never caught a big drum, so here's to hoping. There we go. Yeah, Mason. This is you. Hold on. All right. There you go. Reel. All right. Yeah, buddy. Mason's hooked up with his first red drum. Reel down and then pull up. I'll hold your life jacket. Yep. Let him go. Yeah, buddy. Hooked up, Mason. You're hooked up with a big drum. You got him. You got him. Just relax. Don't wear yourself out. It's you versus the fish. You're stronger than this fish.
I
You got
am?
yeah, you got the rod and the reel. He doesn't have anything.
His tail and his fins he has.
All right, you're getting close. You're getting close. I see color. Oh, Mason, it's a tang. There he is. That's your fish, dude. Look how big he is. What? All right, don't touch the reel. Let him go. It's gonna take him a sec.
Whoa!
There he is. Look at him, bud. That's your fish. Let him go. Yeah. All right, stop reeling. Stop reeling. Look at him. Oh. Point your rod tip down some. Yeah.
That was great. I need help.
You got it. No.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You've done it this far, bud. You've done it this far. You can do it. You're strong. You're determined. You're Mason Barley, who does not give up on anything. You're gonna get a citation in your name. We get this thing in the boat. 100%. How's that feel?
Great.
All right, just relax. Relax. All right, pull towards me. Pull towards me. Pull towards me. Pull towards me. Got him, dude. Got him. Got him. All right, scoot up, scoot up. We gotta get out of here. We're in the current. Dude, you just reeled in a citation. You did it. You did it. He's bigger than you.
Big.
Mason Barley with his first big drum. There you go, dude. Smile. Smile. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's let him go.
Let him go.
Oh, he's still kicking.
But he's still kicking.
There he goes, swimming off.
Yeah.
You did it. You did it.
Yeah.
We're in the current. I gotta go.
Current, quick.
Oh, you did it. I'm so proud, bud. So proud. All right, let's get out of this current and go home. Right underneath of us. Look, watch, popper.
Whoa! Whoa!
Look at him. They just. Oh no. I'm wrapped on the tip. Oh no. Got him. Wow. Look at them all, buddy. Look at them all.
Whoa!
Just gonna- Was that insane or what?
That was
They just
insane!
popped up underneath of us.
Oh,
Oh, buddy. Dude, we did it.
you should take a picture just in case.
Smile. Put yours down. Woo.
Just try to
Woo.
drop in the camera.
Inhaled the topwater popper.
How can we go?
Oh, let's go home, dude. I gotta unhook this guy first. Get back in the water. Oh,
See you later.
wow. Okay, cool. You saw him kick off, so he's good. He didn't even like let me hold him.
I'm so proud of myself.
Hey.
I got citation.
Dude, it looks so fun. How sick was that drum fishing, right? Oh my gosh, that was just so rad to have that experience with my son and my friends. And what was crazy, I was so bummed I didn't charge my 360 cam the night before the day with all my friends. And so I was charging into the car and we went out and we found them, 12 of us hooked up at one time, going under each other's lines, through the boats. Like, it was so crazy. I was bummed to not have the 360 cam on, just had the Hero 8. And it's not the same experience. So I'm really, really psyched on the GoPro Max for fishing on the kayak or whatever. And yeah, I look forward to more days like that, hopefully in the future. But right now, we got some waves, you guys. It looks so fun. The wind's coming up southwest, so it's got a bit of a bump on it, but it is just like this machine wedging left with crazy air sections. I've seen a barrel here and there. There's no one out. It's gonna be a good time. Yeah, let's hit the water. No need to chat any longer. Let's get going. sandblasting, white capping. It's crazy. Gotta love some cold brew coffee. Psh, you know what? Pour that stuff in a corksicle. Then you don't gotta worry about it get warm either. How was that aggressive pour? Spilt quite a bit on the floor. I'll be right back. I need napkins. You know, just had to get the shot. Couldn't have just poured it like a normal person. Nah, it was worth it. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, what a great day of waves. Wasn't honestly expecting much. Got to share some fun wedges. It was kind of windy, but you know, no one around. Just killer shape, like so TP'd out. It was a blast and it was crazy. I mean, it was like head high, shoulder head high, maybe a little bigger early on. And then we left around low tide because it was getting kind of slow and a bit just softer, and went to my truck and just chilled, drank some water, ate some lunch that I'd taken with me, and was kind of waiting to see what the tide did. And then the wind just went nuclear. I mean, it was blowing 30 to 35, white capping, and the swell just went with it. And drove around looking for some spots, but it was just so windy. But anyway, that wraps up an epic week here on Cape Hatteras, drum fishing with my son and my friends, and wedges and barrels and air sections with friends. I mean, this place is just so special, and springtime is really rad as the fish start showing up. I actually got out and got one from the beach finally, which is always my goal every spring, and I've only done it I think 3 other times before this week. But I went out with the family before sunset the other night, soaked some bait, finally put my first big one on the beach, and it felt so good. I was using the 11-foot Sapphire XT from TSUNAMI. Coupled it with a TSUNAMI Shield 8000. I had 20-pound mono on there. Anyway, I was stoked to pull that off. And now, I'm gonna kick back and relax and get ready for the week ahead. Who knows what it holds, but I hope you guys are doing well out there. Stay positive, stay healthy, get outside if you can, and I'll see y'all next time.